Hello friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So in this session, I would like to explain, okay, assignment operators. Assignment operators. Let me save this file. Assignment operators. Operators. .html. Assignment operator. For assignment operator, let me create h1 assignment operator style h1 background color dark green, color white, padding 20 pixels. Okay, let me create a script tag. So we have assignment operator. For assignment operator. For assignment operators, so last class we had discussed, like let's take x equal to 5. So this is, we are assigning, so equal to is the assignment operator and 5 is the value, x is a variable. We are assigning 5 value to this x here. Okay, so next similarly we have addition assignment operator is there. Addition assignment operator. For addition assignment operator, so basically we will write like this. Okay, x plus equal to y. Okay, so this meaning, in the sense, this represent, okay, x equal to x plus y. Okay, like we can mention here. Let me take an example for addition operator. Let I equal to 45. Okay, so this is a value we have. For this value, I'm taking here I plus, okay, 35. So I plus 35. Here I equal to I plus 35. Okay, it may print the value here. Console.log. Okay, let me print here I value. Let me print the I value. Let me go to this. Right click, open in default browser. So this is the assignment operator. For this, we go to this inspect. We go to this console. Print the value here. Okay. Next, subtraction assignment operator. Subtraction assignment operator. For subtraction assignment operator, let j equal to 45 or just j equal to 67. So here j, okay, assignment subtraction assignment operator 32. Okay, so here this is nothing but subtraction assignment operator. Okay, so this indicates that j equal to j minus 32. Okay, it may print the value like, let me print here console.log. Okay, j, let me print the j value here. So go to this, let's reload this page, you may get here 35. Okay, next we have multiplication assignment operator. Multiplication assignment operator. For this, let num equal to 9. Okay, num multiplication assignment operator 5. Okay, let me print this one console.log. Okay, num. So just this assumes that num equal to num multiplied into 5, that is 9 multiplied into 5. Okay, it may print the value here, so I may get here 45. Next, division assignment operator. Division assignment operator. For division assignment operator, let a equal to 76. A division assignment operator by 6. Okay, let me print console.log a. Similarly, so we have a remainder assignment operator. Assignment operator. For remainder assignment operator, let r equal to, okay, r equal to 56. Okay, r modulus equal to 7. Okay, next may print here console.log r. Console.log r. Let me go to this, just reload this page, so we may get 0 value. Remainder is 0 for this. Okay, and let we have exponential assignment operator. Exponential assignment operator. For exponential assignment operators, okay, let u equal to, let e equal to, okay, so over here I'm taking 8, so e as an exponential operator 4. Okay, so we print the value console.log e. Okay, let me print this one on the browser. So we'll get here 4096. So JavaScript executor, it execute 8 into 8, 8 multiplied by 8, 8, 8, 8, like this, 4 times. Okay, we may get the value here. Next, so we have few more operators available here. Okay, for exponential, next we have left shift operator. Left shift operator, right shift operator, right shift operator. For left shift operator, let L equal to 40. Okay, L for left shift operator equal to 3. Okay, so we get the value console dot log L. Okay, same way, the same I may copy here. I can paste for L itself. I'm making to K. So here, just make the K. We can print here K. Let me go to this browser. Let's reload this page. So we may get here 320, 320. So here, this is a right shift operator, right? I'll make it to right shift here. So may get 5 and you may get 320. So how we can get the 320 in the sense, see, okay, 40 multiplied by 2 power 3. Okay, that means it may calculate it. Okay, so it may calculate it 2 2 2 8. Okay, so we'll get 40 40. That means L multiplied by 2 into 2 into 2 will get 8. Okay, so L value is 40, right? So 8 fours are 32. You may get here 320 value. Okay, so here we need to divide it for right shift. We need to divide it here 40 by 2. Okay, 3 times here 20 by 2. Okay, and next we have 10 by 2. So we may get here 5. Let me go to this 5 value. Okay, like we can use this uh, right shift operator. Okay, that's left shift and right shift will be work here.